Hello. In this video I'm going to show you a totally free and permanent way to remove the activation lock from your iCloud. This method is to install a modified firmware that brings as standard all Apple ID functions disabled, so that will prevent the authentication of the iPhone with iPhone servers and thus get to skip the lock screen and use the iPhone with total freedom and with all its features. This method works for all iPhones from the iPhone 4 to the most current and regardless of the iOS that brings installed, since what we are going to do is to install a modified firmware. For this process we need two files. First, the modified firmware corresponding to your iPhone, and secondly a file with the format plist, which will be responsible for signing the firmware on the device. All the necessary files I will leave in the description. Well, let's connect the iPhone to the computer and wait for it to detect it. As you can see, this window appears asking us to insert the Apple ID. Just close it. Well, now look for the plist file that you downloaded and open it. All this must be copied and inserted in the folder, Device Info. This folder is automatically generated by 3U Tools when you connect the iPhone. Well, paste it at the end of the document, just as I did. In case you can't find the Device Info file, you can access it directly through this option. View iDevice Details. Now simply import the modified firmware and select Quick Flash Mode. The process usually takes more than 10 minutes, so let's wait. All the link you will find it in the description, or on the page of the creator gsmgermany.com. Once the process is finished, it will reboot the device. And we can see how now if you let us move forward with the initial settings. Perfect. We have accessed the main menu and removed the activation lock permanently. Many of you asked me about calls and the SIM card, so let me give you a small sample and insert my SIM card into the iPhone. And remember that if you are a subscriber of the channel, you can enjoy my support via Skype. I will help you for free in case you need any help with the process. As you can see, I have both coverage and 4G. All the necessary files can be found on the creator's website and in the description.